Third video in a row I'm making here. A client just called me, and I delivered photos from a really rundown shoot that I did yesterday, where it was just photos and aerial photos. And she was like, "Hey, we're missing the half bathroom," and I was like, "What? Where was the half bathroom?" Because I usually don't miss things because I do like a full walkthrough of a house before I shoot, which you should absolutely be doing. If you're not doing, don't just start taking photos. Go throughout the entire house, turn on all the lights, open all the doors, get a good feel for the layout so you make sure you don't miss anything. But I missed something. And I was like, "Where was the half bath?" And she goes, "Behind a door." And I thought that was hilarious because, yes, of course it's behind a door. That wasn't the question I was asking, but it was funny. So I took the picture, but it was funny when I went inside and like looked with intent, I saw the door immediately, and it looks like a closet door, and it was but also the first time I went there yesterday, I didn't see that door at all. And it reminded me, I don't know if you've ever seen Doctor Who, but in the beginning of, I think it was season 5, the first episode with Matt Smith in it, where I can't remember, it's not Rose, whatever the girl's name was. She was living in a house, and there was this door that, like, there was a monster living behind, and she didn't know that the door existed until she, like, turned her head and looked with intent at that. That's what it felt like. And funnily enough, my client, she told me that she missed the door the first time she went there too. So I told her that as well, and she thought that was funny. But yeah, every time you go to a property, do a walkthrough first. Don't even have your camera or your tripod. Oh, Jesus, that person almost got hit. That was crazy. Do an actual walkthrough of the property. Put your camera down, put your tripod down, just walk around, turn on all the lights, open all the blinds, open all the doors, make sure, things are closets or bathrooms. You have to make sure that you have a solid understanding of the layout before you start shooting, because every so often, and I haven't done this in, God, probably 2 years, I think was the last time I missed a shot, and I missed an entire bedroom. Funnily enough, though, I didn't miss it in the floor plan. I just missed it in the photos, but that was a long time ago. So make sure you have everything absolutely laid out. You don't miss any shots. If you do, then it's probably the fault of monsters. And that guy is like the guy who almost caused that accident is like 900 years old. He should not be driving. That's wild. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.